Playing Genghis. Let's play c5. Let's play the Genghis. Let's go e5. One of these old lines. I'm gonna play this line. Take. Oh, he's gonna play this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go here. This is not actually very good, but I'm gonna do it anyway. He seems confused, which is a good sign. I had this, I think, against Fabiano in the Chess Champs Tour. I think it was a Chessable Masters, one of those online events a while back. He takes, which I know is not right. Knight g5 is the right move. Let's take with c-pawn. If he goes c3, I mean, I can always just play knight f6, I guess. Now, the question is, do I take e4 or not? I think I just castle here. Hard to judge what's going on here. I guess I pre-move. Because f4, I have queen b6 check, and then I hit the pawn with the right triangle. Huh? Wait a second. I must be missing something. Wait, queen b6, king h1, bishop b2, takes. Okay, but the good thing about this position is that, I mean, I'm up on time, so I probably just should think here. Nah, who cares? Let's just take. I'm gonna go knight d2. And I probably should play d5 here. I mean, d6 maybe is okay, but it feels like playing for activity has got to be the right play. He could play bishop d5, I guess. But we'll see. He takes. Now, I assume I have multiple options. I have bishop g4, I have bishop f5. Bishop g4 looks correct, but I have a feeling that somehow it's not right. On the other hand, it looks very... bishop f5... I'm going to go for this. I don't know which one's right, but I'm going to trust my instinct. Bishop f5, knight f3, knight e5, or knight d4 doesn't look right. I think I have to be very, very fast here. So, it was queen c1. Okay, but now I can just trade. And I thought I could just play like rook d8. Can I go like b6? But now I have this to hit the rook. That was a big mistake, by the way, because he doesn't have time to go g4 now. And rook b5 I have knight e8. I also have rook c8. Let's see what I should do. Rook c8 makes a lot of sense. I mean, I know I'm much better here. If I go rook c8, e8, rook e1, bishop b7. Should also just go bishop c8, which is maybe very good. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go here on bishop a6. Very simple idea. This bishop a6 takes, and once I'm up a pawn, and maybe he can still save the game, but it looks really bad. So he goes knight f3. I have bishop b7 also, but I think this must be right. He goes there. I go here. Take the pawn. I mean, I'm up a pawn here. It doesn't necessarily mean I'm winning, but there's f6. Knight c6. b8. Knight 6, rook c8, rook d4, rook takes. b7. Do I have any other tricks? Like king f8's also a move here, maybe. But then there's rook d... No, I think I've got to do this. I think this is correct. We'll see. Yeah, now I go rook c8, of course. He's going to go rook d4. And I take and play rook c7 at the end to stop the kebab on the 7th rank. And the point is I couldn't go rook c2 because there's check in here and that draws the game. It goes a4. But the problem is now I walk the king up. Big mistake, because now there's king e6 and rook c5, and I think I'm close to winning, actually. Very, very close to winning. Wait, what? Am I missing something? I probably should use more time. So if he takes, I go check, and he takes, and I win the game. Rook h5 runs into g6. Rook b5 runs into rook c5, and I think I'm going to win the game. Still, he goes f5. Okay, I take. I mean, it's hard to believe this is... Yeah, this is just winning. So I just go b5, rook b7. Very simple win. Go here, rook behind the pawn. Actually, is this winning? Oh, he goes... Whoa, what was that? Okay. But now it's just very easy. If I just go rook b6 to guard, and I just walk the king up. I just walk the dog, and the rest is very basic. Strange choice. Yeah, we're gonna get the win, and we're gonna be 4 out of 4. I go here, guard the pawns, and yeah, it's just very simple. Just walk the king all the way over eventually. Actually, king c3 maybe is a slight mistake. That's a slight mistake. Okay, let's go like here, I guess. Go here. Okay, I mean, if this isn't winning, I don't know what is. I go here, I've got f5, f4. Yeah, it's just easily winning. Check, f4. Even takes, just wins. There we go, VG. Here we get the win, 4 out of 4.